How to have a jaw-dropping open house. Hi, this is Dennis Isip from Haven Real Estate. So how do you define a jaw-dropping event? Well, it's going to be one where there's a huge turnout. So that is our objective. There's a lot of pre-planning involved in order to make that happen. So what do you do? As you know, 92% of buyers start their search on the internet. It's very critical that you have stunning photography. Definitely professionals, no camera phones. Forget about that. And on top of that, you need videos. Obviously, YouTube, which is the second largest search engine, and Facebook is coming on strong close behind. See, what you're trying to do is we want to get as many people as we can in order to come to your house on a specific time slot, not the entire weekend, but a specific hour on a Saturday. And why do we do that? Let's say there's this couple that is very interested. They like your home, they see the kitchen, the bathroom, and everything checks out. You know, honey, I really like this house, but I overheard that couple. I think they're very interested as well. And then that family with their 3 kids, I think they like it too. So we better sharpen our pencils and really make a good offer. There is this psychology involved when there's a lot of people that are interested in a particular property and they are afraid of losing that deal. So they are more emboldened to make an offer. And that's the reason why we're doing this. So since we're promoting it on Facebook, let's extend our reach into the community groups and yard sale groups. And having said that, here is one optional but highly recommended thing that you do. Why not hold a garage sale at the same time? The more, the merrier. And yeah, the garage sale people, they may not be interested in your house, but they might know somebody who would like to buy your house. So in conclusion, in order to have a jaw-dropping open house, you've got to have a huge turnout. I'll see you in the next video. Hello, this is Dennis.